So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. Let's start. Yeah, wow, it was smooth. Okay, Taurus, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, honey, let's see what's happening. We have the Five of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. Wow. Almost similar to Aries reading, where this is someone who is full of ego, full of pride, listening to their mind continuously, but simultaneously waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you and create a very stable base, very beautiful long-term partnership kind of energy between you and them somehow. If you guys were already committed or married to each other or about to, this person is still thinking about that thing, but they feel like they can't do anything about it instead of just waiting and watching. Yeah. So this is someone who is kind of watching you from a distance, actually watching you from a distance all the time, getting to know about you, each and everything about you. But their ego, their pride, and their mind is kind of telling them not to do anything about it, even if they feel like they should. So right now they are not able to listen to their heart. From time to time, when they are like listening to their heart, they're coming back to their mind this much quickly. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, their intentions for the situation between you and them. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Page of Cups. This person have regrets. They certainly have regrets and guilt about whatever happened. This person wants to fix the situation between you and them somehow with some kind of message, communication, apology, heart to heart message, communication, and apology. And this time around, this person wants to make sure that they are taking it seriously. Okay. In the past, maybe they were not able to take things seriously, or they were not that much serious about the apology or the communication that they were having with you. This time around, this person wants to make sure that their apology is well accepted and well designed, you can say. So they want to fix the situation between you and them, and they did something stupid, something horrible. I mean, the shit hit the fan at some point of time, and they want to make it right with you somehow. Apologize. Basically, this person wants to come towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology to sort it out with you. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. We have the Six of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Fool card. See, there are very chances that out of the blue, suddenly when you will be least expecting to hear from this person, they are going to show up in your inbox. They are going to show up in your blocked list if you have blocked them or something. I'm looking extremely beautiful today. Thank you so much, Taurus. I don't know what I did. I just took a shower that I do after, like, took a shower. I mean to say, I just washed my hair today, blow dried, and da. Anyway, this is somebody who will try their best to move on from the situation and not look back. But something is going to upset them so deeply that out of nowhere, suddenly, unexpectedly, they will end up calling you or texting you or doing something. But at the same time, I don't see the consistency of the flow of communication. Maybe they are going to text you or call you, and boom, nothing. If you're going to respond, they might talk to you. If you're not going to respond, I don't see consistent effort of running behind you or chasing you or something like that. That's it. That's the action I'm getting from this person's side. For you, the guidance, that is the Three of Pentacles. Keep on doing things that you really enjoy to do. Have collaboration and partnerships in your life, Taurus, that makes you happy, that gives you something productive, that gives you something good in return. Right now, you have to be practical rather than more emotional. I always keep on saying to people, just listen to your heart, listen to your heart, listen to your heart. This time, right now, at this present moment, listen to your mind equally. If, like, think about this practically, about this situation practically, because you use all of your emotions, all of your heart and soul in a particular situation, and all you got is shit, Now it's time for you to be practical, be logical, and understand if this person, this situation is good for you or not. If not, do not look back. Don't wait for somebody to come back around and give you some happiness if you know it's not good for you or for the whole connection or whatever. If it is, you can give this another shot, but remain practical more than emotional. Then go ahead. Yeah, right now, this is what I'm getting as a guidance for you guys at this present moment. It's like just 4 or 5 days reading, so you can do it, right? We are, anyways, very practical people, Taurus. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.